These chicken and bacon bites are a one-way ticket to flavor heaven. Cut the chicken breasts into 1-inch cubes. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Wrap each chicken cube with 1 slice of bacon. Then sprinkle some coconut sugar on them. Transfer to a baking tray and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Add the saffron strands and boiling water in a small bowl and let soak for at least 10 minutes. Add the saffron water, egg, sea salt, pepper, and olive oil to an immersion blender and pulse until smooth. Garnish the chicken bacon bites with chopped parsley and serve with the homemade mayo.